Hi everyone, it's Janis here with another episode to help you build better daily structure and be in control of your life. Progress is something that doesn't get talked about a lot. It's mostly success that dominates titles and taglines of the articles and videos. But progress is important because that's what keeps you moving forward towards your goals. You can't achieve your goals and milestones every day, but you can make progress towards them. If you value and appreciate progress, then you will find joy every day because you know that you're moving forward. And progress is not linear. It's not a straight line that slowly goes upwards. The real progress is full of ups and downs. If I look back at my life, last 10 to 12 years, there have been many ups and downs. I was learning what works and what doesn't. My progression was not linear. Because my goal was always to run my own business, I was most often doing one of two things that helped me to make progress towards my goal. I was either working in a warehouse or doing a corporate office job to earn money and save it to later invest in my business. Or I was 100% invested in my business, so I would quit my job, use the money that I had saved, and focus on building my new business. And I would repeat this cycle multiple times. If I ran out of the cash, I would get a job and start working and saving money, so I can focus on my business again later. At no point I was settling in life. So if you want to achieve your goals, then you have to continuously make progress towards the things that you want to achieve. In this video, I want to share a few ideas about how to make progress in your life. So let's dive in. Number 1, don't set too many goals. One mistake that many aspiring and success-hungry people do is that they want to do this and that and dozens of different things. They want to build a personal brand, but instead of picking one platform and focusing on growing it, they'll try to keep up with all of them. I currently produce content on YouTube only. I would like to be on Instagram, Facebook, etc., but that requires extra resources. I have no problem with setting big goals and going after them. But you have to understand that every single thing requires your time, energy, and attention. So what happens is that too many different projects and goals keep you distracted from moving forward in a clear direction. It can also become overwhelming to try to manage multiple things till the point of giving up altogether. Instead, it's better if you select few goals that you're passionate and willing to achieve and then work towards them. You'll have more focus and energy that you can use to really move these things forward and achieve those milestones and eventually goals. Number 2, focus on things that you can control. This is where the art of focusing on efforts instead of results come into play. This is because you can directly control your efforts but not results. It's common to be consumed with the idea that the only thing that matters is results and forget about what actually brings results. If you want to get more clients for your business, then that's great. But what actions do you take? Most of the people don't get more clients because they're stuck with this goal. Instead, they should focus on activities that has a potential to bring new clients, like sending out emails, sending proposals through online marketplaces, and more. Then, when you have to plan your day, you can include these activities in your daily schedule and execute them when the time comes. It is easy to take action when you know what needs to be done, as opposed to just wake up in the morning with the idea that you need more clients. So once you start to focus on things that you can control, you'll find that you're in control of your actions and you'll be consistently making progress towards your goals. Number 3, accept risk. Every time you do something new, there's a chance that it might not work out. You might want to try a new marketing strategy from the one that you currently use. Maybe you're used to get clients from Facebook, but everyone is talking about how YouTube ads are outperforming Facebook ads. Of course, you want to grow your business, as well as you want to give it a try to see what the hype is about. Let me give you a quick example how things didn't work out for me. A long time ago, I was using Basecamp to manage my team, but with time, we wanted to have a visual planning feature called Gantt charts. We used Basecamp for 8 years and it was a great tool, except for the fact that they didn't have a visual planner feature. All the team was used to the tool. But we still wanted to get something better, and therefore we gave up Basecamp and migrated to the Team Gantt. At the first glance, it looked like everything would be the same as for Basecamp. Plus, we would have visual charts to help us visualize the projects. Unfortunately for us, TeamGunt was lacking infrastructure that we were used to with Basecamp, and simple thing like attaching file to the discussion was pain. But don't let failure stop you. Learn from it and move on. Every time you want to grow and make progress, there will be some sort of risk involved. Number 4, keep learning. If there is one thing that can stop you from growing, then it's learning. And there are different ways how you can learn. I am not a big fan of traditional education, but it is still a good source of information. Better way, of course, is to learn in your own way, as you will be putting in 100% focus in it. My best way of learning is to learn through experiences. It's about going and doing the things that you want to achieve. Sure, you can read books about how to start a business, but nothing is better than starting your own company and experiencing it. You might lose some money during the process, but it's not a lost or wasted money. It's invested money in yourself. You can also learn from online courses or join membership groups where people are actively learning to develop skills that are required in today's marketplace. If you're really short on cash, then Google is the best option for you. All the online courses has been created with information that can be found online. It will take more time to put it together, but it's all there. And of course, don't forget that you can read books or listen audiobooks or free podcasts. If you keep learning, then you're guaranteed to make progress in your life towards the things that you want to achieve. But remember that progress is not linear. You'll always have ups and downs, but if you keep going, you'll find yourself succeeding in your life. If you want to manage your time better, have more structure in your life, and achieve your goals, make sure you check out my time planning application. You can set goals and track progress towards them, create time blocks and build your own daily structure, as well as log your time and measure your performance. Best of all, it's totally free, so press here to check it out right now. I'm working on new videos every day, so be sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next episode.